Carnival Jubilee small Cove Balcony. The upgrade fairy was nice to us and upgraded us from an interior to this Cove Balcony. Here's the safety briefing on the door. Then you have your AC units with your card and your master power switches. Here is your bathroom. And you have on this one with the glass door. And you have storage down here on the bottom. I'm going to be really honest with you. It's a little tight for fluffy cruisers. Here's our room. And there's Miss Cece sitting over in the corner.
Hi.
Here's our bed. On the side of the bed, you have lights. And you also have USB ports with your shelves down here. This is a nice room. Of course, this is a fairly brand new ship. And we slide down here with our nice painting. Then you have your mirror. Then you have your stool here that also has the top that converts into a tray. You have your master light switch over there. You have your power outlets. You have 2 USBs on this side, 3 US plugs here, and then 2 more USB plugs. Then you have your doors. And your hair dryer down here in the bottom. Then you have your mini fridge, your phone, your fun times, and your shelving up here. And then you have a Cove Balcony. Now, I'm going to be honest to you, we're here in Galveston Port still, so it's going to be a little noisy. You look this away. You have your chairs, your table, and your wall for your neighbors. And the same this way. And we're right here underneath the lifeboats. This is going to be an awesome cruise. There's Galveston with all its noise. There again. Be sure to watch your step when you step in, because it is a little high. Can't water from me on this whaling, but that's going to be awesome. As always, like and subscribe. Thank you for following, and watch us on TC Cruising Time. We will see y'all later. Bye.